Hey guys, it's Sunday night and you know what time it is. It's AERIFY time. We're trying to make it a routine, a normal protocol now for us to start doing some AERIFYs. Hi everybody, on Sunday night with some of our amazing followers, our friends, some of our patients. Hi Randy. And I'm just so excited because our Emerage Skin AERIFY kit, you guys can see here, this is our complexion peeling kit. This is a revival kit that I made initially just to help my patients boost their results after lasers and peels and facials. Has become a unanimous explosion in the world. Everybody is loving this kit, and you guys can see inside the kit all the beautiful products of the AERIFY peeling mask, the illuminating mask, the foaming cleanser, and we'll talk about the different products. But we have a guest today who is going to be on showing us how this kit is performed. And her name is Alexa, and you guys will get to meet her in a second. I want to show you the inside. Look at the card that comes with it. This is our Emerage Skin AERIFY peeling kit instructions. When you open it, it shows you all the products that are inside, and when you turn it, it tells you exactly the phases of how to use the kit, and morning and night the products that are being used. It's super exciting. Thank you. Make sure you guys are following. Now you can get this at emeragecosmetics.com, and you can also follow Emerage Skin, which has a lot of information on it. But this is the kit, you guys, that you need to do once a month between your facials and peels. This is also for those that just can't get to the dermatologist, that don't have the ability to do these peels. I made this specifically for every skin type and for all patients that have blemishes, fine wrinkles, they want to get their skin to be boosted. You're going to get married in a few weeks. You got headshots to take. You're going on a first date. You have an anniversary. Whatever you need to do, of course we do FaceTime and virtual consults. Go to emeragecosmetics.com, click virtual consult, or send an email to appointments@emermd.com. This kit was designed for you because it's inexpensive and you get an amazing peel. Now, what my patients are doing, which is amazing, and a whole article was written about it, is using these in other areas such as the neck, the chest, the elbows and the knees, and also the down under areas, the genitals and the buttock. You can use this everywhere. It's very safe. Hold on, they're saying it's difficult for her to get on. And we're waiting for her to get on there. But the amazing things, thanks Jean. Send that email, appointments@emermd.com, or go to virtual consult emeragecosmetics.com. This kit inside has in it the peel, which is the illuminating mask right here. You guys, this was designed by me for over 2 years to have the highest grade citrus acids plus brightening botanicals that you could get on the market before, if you couldn't get to a doctor. And this has in it TCA, lactic acid, salicylic acid, and brightening ingredients like kojic acid, arbutin, which is good for melasma, niacinamide, which is great for redness. So those that are irritated and have irritated skin, if you check our Instagram today, you guys can see one of our patients that had red, irritated skin after doing just a week of this mask, improvement in the skin tone. This will boost everything that you're doing. It's worth it because I've been doing this. If you look at my skin, I've been doing this every 2 weeks now at home and using my lightening products in between. But this mask, you put on overnight. I'm going to do this with you guys in the next week or two, most likely. But we're going to keep doing these lives with my clients because I want everybody to see how this works. And you can see the post that we just posted on Instagram. Now this beautiful card inside explains exactly how to do it. It tells you what products are inside from the Emerage Skin line, and it's completely worth it. If you're loving, I miss you guys too so much. If you guys are loving all the products you're using and you just want to boost that result, you can get this kit. Now in the kit, again, you'll use this mask overnight. If all of a sudden for some reason you just have breakouts, put this on, do it overnight. And it's our amazing foaming polish. I think this one is so cute. This little baby one. Look at this. It's hydrolyzed jojoba beads. This is a moisturizing foaming cleanser. Almost impossible to see. It's brightening because of licorice root in there. It's unbelievable. And I always tell you guys know retinol is your friend, but some people get irritated. So greetings, and we can send this, just so you guys know, across the world. So our retinol here has licorice root and hyaluronic acid because it's moisturizing. I literally use this on my eyes. Now I combine this with things that are not in the kit that come with from Emerage Skin, such as my eye serum, which I put right here, my Refit Eye. Hold on, let's see what our team is saying. Oh, she's finally getting on there. Have a request. I mix my Refit Eye growth factor and peptides on there, not in the kit, but is an amazing add-on to the kit. This product works so well. You just put a little bit on. I use a very little. You dab it in a few places, and literally you feel this work. The maca root that's in here tightens and firms, and it's made with, oh, there she is, the bioactive growth factor and peptides. Now, okay, we're gonna go live. Oh my God, look at all these people asking to go live. You guys are fantastic. So the kit I think is $250, but there's discounts available. If you keep watching our Instagram, it's completely worth it. Hi,
Hello.
she's here, finally.
Hi.
How are you? Everybody, Alexa, say hello.
Hi, everyone.
Introduce yourself. Tell us, why are you here? Why do we have you here? Obviously, you're so beautiful. You want to take care of your skin, but what is the reason we wanted you to come on? Why do you want to be here?
Hey, Jason. Yeah, happy to explain. So essentially, I heard that you were starting this kit, and I mean, you're absolutely wonderful, and we're really good friends. So
Of course.
I knew that the best of the best would know how to treat some of my sunspots. So I
Yeah,
don't
show
know if you can
everybody.
see here, but you can see a bit of
Tell them a little bit about
sunspot.
your background, because you're so light toned, but you have some sunspots. What is that? Tell everybody.
So I am from Puerto Rico, and
She's our Puerto Rican lover.
I love the sun. I absolutely love the sun. I grew up in Miami, and then I moved to Beverly Hills, and
So
I
you've always been in sun, so you're
yeah,
always getting exposed, even though you're light skinned. Now, this is the thing, you guys. My mixed ethnicities, my light skin tones with brown eyes, those like Hispanic, Puerto Rican background, they're just more at risk developing sun damage. And the reason we made this kit was so that in between doing things in the office, you could have a boost to your skincare and brighten the tone with very minimal downtime. And I know a lot of the girls, a lot of my girls get very nervous about doing peels and lasers, especially in LA when you're in the sun. Tell me about that.
100%. I mean, again, I love the sun. So like doing a peel and like having some downtime and not being able to go to the poolside or go to the beach, you start to think like, is this for me? But
Right.
on top of that, I am in marketing, specifically entertainment marketing. So I do a lot of VCs and a lot of presentations.
Mm-hmm.
So there is some hesitation here, but we've discussed at length, and I feel like this is the right peel for me because you have talked about how this is great for my particular skin and how it's light enough where I can still do VCs. So I have a
Exactly.
huge presentation tomorrow. I'm gonna do this
Well,
tonight.
you're going to look even good tomorrow during that presentation. Well, here's the thing, though. There are different levels of these exfoliating masks. Cosmelan being kind of the biggest doctor dispense one, 2 weeks of a lot of redness and stuff. I love the results. Everyone loves the results. They hate the treatment, okay? So we went a little bit lower in the past couple of years, making another peel called Enlighten, which one of my good friends, Helen, helped her make. And it's a fantastic peel, but still a week of a downtime. So I thought I wanted something that, someone like you that loves taking care of their skin, but doesn't want to change their lifestyle, doesn't want to restrict what they're doing, can still look good and boost the results and do it inexpensively. So we came up with AERIFY, and that's why we did it. Because, and also too, if you're nervous, this is a good starting peel. For only a few $100s, you're getting a doctor peel at home and 2 weeks of products in there. I mean, you're getting retinol, which most, I would say, doctor dispense retinols are at least $80 to $90. the average ones that are good.
Even
Now
at
this
Sephora.
has, yeah, exactly. Even at Sephora, even like a normal brand could be 40 to 60, but it doesn't have in it the licorice root, the hyaluronic acid, and the high strength medical grade that's in here. You're also getting the bright, this is basically like a BB cream, but a very strong vitamin C. 20%, this is called High Spot, 20% vitamin C, which is why you'll get that brightening, the brown spots will disappear, and you'll get protection from the sun because it's an antioxidant with a bunch of botanicals in here. And the botanicals that are in here are really unique. They're mulberry, green tea, blueberry, and licorice root. So all different sort of fruit acids that really help you with minimal downtime get a nice exfoliation. Like I did this only, let's say about last week, and when I rub my skin, I get a little bit of flaking, but it's not something someone can see, but that's why I'm glowing so much.
I mean, your skin looks beautiful.
I'm doing what I tell everybody else to do. So yours is going to be the same. And then the last part is the Fusion Shield, which is, I think, honestly, I think this is I would say a guy's best friend, but a girl's best friend too, because this is a tinted sunscreen. Have you tried it yet or no?
I haven't, but I'm super excited.
Yeah, when in the morning tomorrow,
so amazing. So
try it because most girls and guys have dark circles in the morning. They want to camouflage, but they don't. You know, my patients don't want to have a lot of being overdone with makeup and such. So using this, again, more vitamin C in here, but it also has in it what's called marine fraction, which is an algae extract to help tighten and firm. So you're getting the sun protection, vitamin C, you're getting the tint, which is going to cover the dark circles and sunspots, protect you from sun when you're lightly peeling, but also then you get the tightening of the skin. So you're getting protection and camouflage. Have you tried the cleanser?
Oh, and I definitely see like a beautiful tint.
Yeah, show them the tint, because look, when you rub that in, it's not bad. I mean, it does not, yeah, look at it.
No, it like blends in perfectly.
And the thing is, are you a big makeup person or no?
I'm not.
And see, that's good.
Like something natural. Again, for like a professional perspective, I really like to have that natural look. And this is like perfect.
And that's the thing. So they're all saying on here, you're so beautiful. Your skin already looks amazing. They're saying Barika in the house. They're saying her skin looks amazing. Hard to believe she's makeup free. But this is the thing, you guys. My patients, I want them to feel free. That's why I say set beauty free is our hashtag, because I don't want you to feel like you have to cake on makeup to make yourself look good. We should be able to, you know, really curate things, whether it's in the office or at home. If you can't come to me, you can get products at emeragecosmetics.com. We do free skincare consults every day. We have our skincare specialists who absolutely love doing this. They're obsessed with skincare. You know them. You know them. And then you know they're obsessed. And then also, if you can't get to us, these kits can be sent to you, and you can do this at home and really get a nice result. Did you use the cleanser? Because I wanted you to tell everybody about the cleanser.
I did. I used it at home.
What do you think about it?
I actually used it right before this because I just wanted a clean face, and like I'm telling you, this is like no makeup face.
So no makeup with bright. So that's the thing about this cleanser. I want to tell you, most foaming cleansers are detergents, meaning they're drying. There's alcohol. There's no alcohol in here. It has in it licorice root, again, that marine extract that helps kind of brighten and tighten the skin. And then it has hydrolyzed jojoba beads. You know those little beads that are in a lot of cleansers that kind of pop on the skin that moisturize?
Yeah.
So instead of having them in beads, yeah, a lot of them have them, and it's good for hydration, but they're actually dissolved in here. So they're actually dissolved. So you're basically putting hydration onto the skin.
Honestly, it feels so soft. Like this.
Who's Carly? She's saying, "Baby Alexa girl."
Hey, Carly.
She loves you.
That's my sorority sister. I absolutely.
Oh, she's loving you.
And she actually was letting me know earlier that she's been wanting to try your brand for a long time.
So that's what I'm saying and that's what I was also saying was, and I have other patient Abdel here saying that most high-end brands will put you over $1,000 for only $250. You get to experience it all. And I say, look, if you had the finances, you wanted to try, you could start with the kit, but you can add a few other things. Like my Hyla B is a little bit more of an expensive product. This is hyaluronic acid. This is basically filler in a bottle. This is gonna make you look plump and glowy all the time. I'm gonna show you guys. This is my own bottle, so I can put this on here. But look, you guys can see it's a serum that's made with hyaluronic acid and vitamin B, but it also has in it tamarind seed extract and something called pseudo-ultramonas extract, which is basically another sort of algae kind of anti-inflammatory. It also has some anti-redness capabilities. And look, you just glow.
Yeah.
And this will
immediately just
yes,
feel like you're glowing.
So you could use this while you're peeling if you wanted. In the kit, there's a product called Soothe, which is a very high-end moisturizer. This is a little bit thicker. I tell people if you do peel a lot or you get irritated, you would use the Soothe. It has in it sea whip extract, squalene, and vitamin C, so it's very, very moisturizing and tightening for the skin. I like this actually as an expert tip on the back of your hands and on your neck because it's a really good moisturizer for there.
That's actually perfect because there was a time where I was looking into like K skincare, like skincare, and this has everything in one little bottle.
Exactly, and I love it. And it has the vitamin C in there too, so if you are adding moisture, at the same time you're getting brightening. So it's a really good. Oh, thank you guys. They're saying this is a great start to the week, and I can't wait till everyone tries these. They're all saying that we both have flawless skin. The other thing I was saying was I like to add my growth factors because they're anti-aging. I always tell you guys at nighttime, retinol and growth factors are your key for anti-aging. So the Refit Eye and Face that we made, I'm like obsessed with my Refit Eye. I use it on my face because it's actually a little more potent than the Refit Face. And so I add that to my moisture on top of this. And then in the morning, I use my enzyme polish. Even though it comes with the foaming, I really like foaming at night because you've gone through the day and you have a lot of oily, environmental damage, oily skin, dead skin cells. In the morning.
You use that in the morning too, or?
Well, you can. In the kit, I tell people to do that, and that's why. But if you had the ability to do other things, I would add the enzyme polish in the morning because this has in it papaya and glycolic acid that help you really just glow. But you still will get a great result, and that's what all the people are saying here. This is probably 1,000 times better than Kiehl's, SK2, or La Mer. It's not about what's better, but it's about me understanding dermatology and really giving you high quality for less. I'm not going to trick you. This isn't marketing. We're showing real results. I want people to get good results and feel courageous and good about their skin. That's why I was saying is I can't put my name behind something that isn't high quality. So the ingredients were customized by myself and my scientists. And then the marketing part, tell me about your marketing because you have to be forward facing all the time. So not only do you have to look good, you have to create things like this. So tell everybody, what do you think?
I mean, I absolutely love this packaging. I'm very, very big on packaging and like this overall feels, I mean, the box feels really heavy. So kudos to you.
Thank you. I love it. It took me a long time to decide on the design.
Everything just looks so high quality. And you're able to also very one-on-one through this.
Yeah, I want it to be very detailed. This is, everybody who knows me knows I'm very detailed. So I wanted it to be
important when you're doing it at home.
I know. I agree. So are you going to do the peel tonight?
Yeah.
Do you want to apply it so we can show everybody what it's like? Because I can explain to them. So in the kit, you guys, the AERIFY, now again, I could talk about hundreds of skincare products, but we're talking about the kit tonight. And thank you guys. By the way, thank you so much for all that. I love that you guys are following. Abel, you're going to be so happy with this kit. So the illuminating mask is here. She's going to apply it now. Inside the mask, you guys, there's two different things. And this is what I always tell people. The best brightening for your skin is exfoliating and lightening peels, not inflammatory peels like those that you paint on and they burn off. You can do those. They help with wrinkles and scars. But this really helps with sun damage, fine wrinkles, and collagen production. It's like an exercise. It's like skin gym. Your skin needs to keep turning over. So I always tell people, you want to rub it in. You don't have to fully rub it. You can paint a little bit. because this has in it exfoliating agents, TCA, which is a type of acid, retinol, which is basically vitamin A, lactic acid, salicylic acid. And then it also has brightening agents, vitamin C, kojic acid, which you guys know my favorite products have kojic acid in the morning for brightening of the skin. It's an alternative lightening agent, not a bleach, but an alternative lightening agent. And then also niacinamide. What is niacinamide? It's a vitamin B that helps decrease inflammation. So all my patients that ask me, can I use this if I have rosacea? Can I use this if I have acne? Yes, you can, which is why we made it. You can also use this in other areas, guys, like the neck, the chest, the hands, the genitals, the elbows and knees, the boobies. You can use them on the boobies. Yeah, girls, a lot of girls will get pigmentation and acne here or on the butt. So use the whole thing, get a good film on your face, especially do a double pass over those sunspots, because I really want you, and you can go a little bit closer up into the eye. So we rub it in, you guys, and she creates a nice film, and this is gonna stay on overnight. And then for the next 2 weeks, you could do your own skincare. You could add in the kits you have here. Like what I do with this, I actually add in a few extra very strong lightening agents like Cosmelan 2, Vivacia Foam, and something called Restore C10X. And again, I also use my eye serum, Refit Eye, my face serum, Refit Face, and I use my Hyla B because this is and my vitamin C, AOC, for additional vitamin C, as well as my Hyla B. Where did I put my Hyla B? Oh, here it is. My Hyla B, my hyaluronic acid. So you could use the vitamin C in the morning, the hyaluronic acid twice a day if you want. But in the kit, the two main ingredients here are High Spot and Hyla A. The kit instructions tell you to put Hyla A on at night and High Spot on twice a day. If you're like to live on the edge, do these Hyla A twice a day. You'll get more of a result. Won't last as long, but you'll get more of a result, or add in a little bit. That's what I would do. And you could always add in some more brightening agents. Our skincare specialist can talk to you about that. Use your Fusion Shield when you go out. And yeah, it's perfect. So we want to have that little bit of that yellow, orange color on your skin.
I like this yellow tint on
I know, it
skin tone.
makes you look glowy. It makes you look glowy. Here's what I want to tell you guys. If you run out in the first week or two, it's fine. We don't make the Hyla A or the High Spot yet. They're coming out in the New Year time because we wanted it to be a part of the kit to start. We have other alternative other products that are very similar from other companies. If you email us, we'll tell you what to do. But this should last you 1 to 2 weeks, which will give you, I mean, look, literally I do this every 2 weeks. You can do this overnight as a booster. You could do it in between. My idea with this was that estheticians would have this. They would do their facials once a month on their clients, and then they would tell their client to go home with this and do it 2 weeks later, in between all their facials. My laser patients, they do this, they get their laser, and then a couple weeks later, they do this in between. For you, it's a perfect starter. I mean, you were nervous about peels. You want to do that. Now, did you squeeze every last drop?
I did.
Good. Squeeze every last drop out, and then you're going to let that sit on because it basically has your retinol, your vitamin C. That's the illuminating mask, you guys. When we initially made it, it says here, AERIFY illuminating mask. When we originally made it, we made it a little bit stronger, and people did peel for like 3 to 5 days. And for like you, for example, that's on a lot of calls and you don't want a lot of downtime, we limited it. But I'm going to make a booster kit that adds in a few things if you really want more of a outcome that we could do in the future. How does it feel?
It feels great. It feels really light.
Yeah.
Again, I will say it again because I think like the tint actually looks
a little bit of the tone. It's like a spray tan. It's perfect.
A little bit, yeah.
What do you?
My face and my body look the same color.
I love that.
Finally.
Well, so the thing is, and if you like this result, we could do it again in 2 weeks, or we could start to customize either a stronger peel or just more skincare products. Like I would probably, with your skin tone, given that you have a little bit of hyperpigmentation through here naturally, some freckling, I probably would add our AOC right now, and I probably would add one other brightening agent, something a little bit stronger, like once a day to this area or at night, but it's not necessary. Again, the idea with this was you could try Emerage Skin and you could get a good treatment for inexpensive, and you could follow the instructions very easily with the AERIFY kit. Tell people, because I think everybody wants to know, because you're very natural, very outgoing. Why is your skin and your look so important to you?
Thank you for the question. I mean, you know, I think for me, again, it's just making sure that I feel very confident, because what I do every day has a lot of me on VC, you know, convincing clients. And yeah, that ultimately feels like being able to feel good in my skin and feeling confident in my skin just gives me that like boost that I need to get through this, you know, whatever campaign it might be.
Yeah, just you always do better when you feel good about yourself, which is why, like, on the back of my card, we have a little part here that says the courage to redefine. And my sort of philosophy about becoming a dermatologist was being courageous, because everyone told me not to move to LA, that it was too competitive. And I just did it 6 years ago on the 14th. So 2 days ago was my anniversary, my 6-year anniversary. And I said, I had the courage to move here with my dog, Lexi, my 2003 Saturn Ion, and 1 laser. And I still have my dog, Lexi, but I don't have the car, and I have 80 lasers. So now I want people to feel courageous in their skin. And that's why it says on here, you know, courage is your naturally occurring element that's inside of you. And we believe how you feel about yourself is what really matters. And it doesn't matter why you want to do this peel. I want people to know, but someone else may be wanting to do this for another reason, and that's great. You know, if it's for you just to feel good about yourself, you know, I want you to be able to do it. And I think so many people are going to want to follow you through the journey of these next couple weeks, your friends and all my followers.
I'm very excited for that. I'm excited for this journey. I'm looking forward to see how this pigmentation changes, as well as, you know, I do have a dark spot up here from my many days in the sun.
That's okay. We'll reverse it. We'll reverse it. And here's the thing, you know, they're asking some good questions, actually. They're saying, if your results come out great, not if, when, okay? Take a look at our Instagram post today. The girl that sent that to us said, I don't even see a result. And then we showed her it. Also look at our Instagram stories. You could see obvious improvements in complexion with minimal downtime, you guys. Remember, the more downtime you have, the better the results. This is made as a booster. It's not a dramatic, but you're going to see. So for example, if you want to maintain those results, I would continue to do this kit at least monthly. That's what my opinion is. I thought that the average person would be able to do this every 4 to 6 weeks at home, keep getting that boosting, but in between that time, they would get their facials and they would do a curated skincare protocol. They would start using the Hyla B, they would start using the vitamin C. We're going to have toner pads coming out. We're going to have our vitamin A, our BB cream, a lot of other things that will be added, but there's so many good companies out there that our Emerage Cosmetics skincare specialist can add into the kit or my Emerage Skin products, the things that would work for you. And, you know, if you have acne, for example, the enzyme polish was designed for that, but also for people that just want to glow. Like everybody's at home now doing Zoom calls. They want to just wash and go. So, you know, you wash with this, you glow, wash and glow. Basically, that's what it is. And you're going to use these products in the kit to get that boost. But yes, you're going to want to use other products to maintain as time goes on. And someone else is saying here, do you manifest your dreams? I feel like you guys, everybody, if you think it, it will happen. So I thought about this kit. I'm making it happen. I want everyone to think that when you're using this kit and these products, your skin's going to look better. That's the point, you know?
I love that. You know, it's this idea of abundance, right?
Exactly. And the thing is nowadays too, you know, with COVID and people, you know, some people being out of work and not wanting to spend as much money, it's important to get high quality for less. And this is why I made the kit, you know, as inexpensive as I could, and we're donating some of the proceeds to charity. We already, I haven't announced it yet, but our first $10,000 donation is going to be going out in the next month that I will announce soon because of all the people that have ordered so far.
Oh, that's so exciting to
Yeah,
hear.
so I'm excited about that. Then another thing they asked here when we could do the last question is if I have melasma on my upper lip. This is a huge thing for women. They hate having a little bit of pigment there because it looks like a little mustache.
I have a little
Exactly.
bit too as well.
Exactly. So you have a little bit from sun. Will this help this? Yes, it will. But there are stronger peels for deeper melasma. So if you did this, you're going to need to do it more frequently, along with some other lightening or bleaching creams, which we don't have in the kit. We have a brightening cream. This is not a bleaching cream. So what's the difference? This like sort of high spot is made with botanicals, like I said, the green tea, the mulberry, the vitamin C, all and the all the other botanicals. Most bleaching creams are hydroquinone, which is a bleaching cream, which you can get and you can add it to this. We just decided to make this easy on people because bleaching creams are a little more irritating. So yeah, you might want to spot treat here. Now, one of the things, one expert tip, and I'll tell you this lastly, you can buy this and not do your whole face. You could literally just put a little bit on the under eye every week. And you could do a weekly at-home eye peel. I'm going to make a whole video on that. The entire eye can be treated. You could do literally, it'll probably last you a month. You could do it weekly for a month and get beautiful brightening around the eye.
Jason,
So
that's amazing.
yes,
You know,
I'm going to make a whole video of like a Q-tip application and how you do it and everything. But
Oh,
there are other things you could do because this is the highest strength at-home peel you can get over the counter, but it doesn't have bleaching cream in it. So it can be used in sensitive areas like the eye.
oh, I
See
love
this?
that.
That's what I
Yeah, I
do
mean,
when I go,
your
you
eye
do
pops.
this, I do this. So so that's what else? Do you want to say anything to everybody else because they're loving this, but we gotta get going because we're never gonna be able to download all of this great knowledge.
No, I mean,
Um,
I'm super excited for this. Again, like as the journey continues, I'll make sure to keep everybody updated. And I'm very excited because I'm also getting married soon, and this is
Gotta get you
definitely
looking
something
good.
I'm starting it.
That's perfect. It's always
And
the girls always come to me 1 year to 6 months in advance.
oh,
That's
this
what
is
I
a
always
year
tell
out.
people.
This is a year out, and see, and I didn't even plan
Perfect.
it that way, so this is
Yeah,
a
and this
perfect
is great
timing.
because you could do this monthly. You could do our little bit stronger in between. We could do lasers. I love they're saying that I should make Wash and Glow the name of my book, which I'm thinking about now because I love you. I
That's
love
a
all you
genius
guys.
idea.
They're saying I'm the best derm. Thank you so much. And then they're asking if someone has citric acid dermatitis, can you do this? You'd have to get patch tested where we put a little behind the ear. If you have allergy, you're going to want to get this and patch test it. Meaning you put it behind the ear on your forearm and you wait a couple days and you see if you get an allergy. If you don't, then you can use it. But again, so just to reiterate, everybody, oh, Alexa, everyone's going crazy over you right now. To reiterate, we just applied, so she just applied her AERIFY Complexion Peeling Kit. She's going to let you guys know over the next few weeks how the products are, our foaming polish with our hydrolyzed jojoba beads, our vitamin A, and our hyaluronic acid and licorice root, our BB cream, our high spot brightener with mulberry, green tea, licorice root, and vitamin C, our sunscreen, which is called Fusion Shield, and our amazing mask plus soothing moisturizer. And this moisturizer has in it vitamin C too, so you get more brightening if you use it. Secret, put this on the back of your hand and on your neck because it's very useful there. And then she's going to use that and let you guys know. And again, if you want to boost this kit, go to emeragecosmetics.com virtual consult, and our skincare specialist can add in anything that maybe if you have acne, you want to add a toner. For you, you have some freckling here, maybe you want to add a bleaching cream. You know, again, we may be able to do that if somebody wants it, but the instructions for the kit alone are right here, and my philosophy of redefining your skin and giving it courage, giving you the courage to do whatever you want to do in your life. So thank you for being here with me on Sunday night. And
Thank you for inviting me.
it was great. So we'll look forward to the next few weeks and seeing your before and after.
Sounds good. Bye,
Bye.
guys.
Peace. So you guys, anytime you want any information on skincare, go to emeragecosmetics.com, go to virtual consultation. You literally can do a free skincare consult anytime you want. We're going to do this probably every Sunday and a few other times in the week over the next few months with a bunch of my friends and other people that really want to try this kit. It's going to go great. Now, this kit, AERIFY, is on the emeragecosmetics.com site under Emerage Skin, and again, our any orders you place there are going to help proceeds for charity, and so many people ordered this first few months that we're going to be donating $10,000 to a local charity. We're going to announce it very soon. I'm super excited about it, but I really want you guys to start this as your regimen at home. This is going to really help just boost everything you're doing and just make you feel great about your skin. I'm approaching 40 and I need to do stronger things. So I'm going to be using tonight, just so you guys know, I'm adding Cosmelan 2 to my face. That is, I'm going to put on this kit and I'm going to use Cosmelan 2, which is a stronger brightening cream. I'm going to put on my eye serum, my Refit Eye. I'm going to mix it with my Restore C eye serum because I want a little bit more brightening through here. And I'm also going to add, additionally, for the next couple weeks, a little bit extra vitamin C. So I'm going to use my high potency THD 20% vitamin C. You know, most vitamin C's are L-ascorbic acid, which is the highest potency vitamin C in a water base, but in a non-water base, you want a THD, which will absorb much more quickly. We mix it with blueberry, which is one of the most potent antioxidants. So your skin calms down, even though it's a vitamin C. And then also I'm going to hydrate with my Hyla B. Use this after laser treatments, after peels, before your makeup. It really makes your skin glow. It's amazing. And then we can curate anything else. Right now, I have some lip products on, you could see. And I just want to keep looking good. So stay courageous, everybody, and I'll see you during the week.